Menjerang baka jalamai gahalaya konrad ke Sangma ula pendrung kerteng yala dealing baka rukom pendrung kerteng hi self enumeration hakane ke jingnyo briew census kabadang ya cekmat. Kastir nodal officer kepuja pandai kala ong bakane ke jing thok kerteng kenyat nyadu ke shitarik ujemang hadu ka khasan terik ujemang. Henry kata on sedang ya ka house listing nadu ka khanru terik ujemang hadu ka khatsau terik ujelio kani ke jing tre lang ka long ru da u governor bar u speaker ban pensluri ke jing shim mentapat ba ka bakhambun.
And 30 days of house listing operations. So for Meghalaya, it is starting from 1st May to 15 May self-enumeration, and from 16 May to 14 June the house listing operation. That is the field work. So we have started here, and we have taken self-enumeration from Governor Sir, Speaker Sir, and Honorable CM Sir, just to highlight the.
Is it started? Enumeration started today.
Yes, actually from 1st April to 30th September, states can choose any 40.